That's right, friends. In this episode, I'm going to try to escape the heat. It's gonna be pushing at least 35 degrees Canadian units this weekend. I do know that my friend's somewhere out here in the woods. I am gonna try to find him, but we'll see if I'm able to. Stay tuned. Just got to the pub, got their Wi-Fi for $5. I actually tipped them. They didn't want my money, but my money's always good. Now I know where Chris is. Time to go find him. Yeah, we're doing a bit of pavement landing this episode. I try not to do any pavement landing because this is an overlanding town. Not city slicking landing. Just have to stop here to get the Wi-Fi again because it lost the route for the GPS. Fun stuff. Oh hey, I found the road I'm supposed to be on. The maps say about 20 minutes to Chris, so we'll find out if that's right. Probably like 2 hours, who knows? Oh hey, I found him. Sick. Chris, why are we camped in the quarry in the middle of a heat wave?
Because it's hot.
Look at that water feature. A little bit of beaver fever. Oh well, at least the view's nice. Yeah, I think we need to go find a lake.
Lake sounds like a good idea right about now.
Yeah, it's about noon right now. You can tell by the way it is. Oh, that's a good branch. Jesus! Chris, are you sure this is the way to the lake?
Yeah, it is, but watch your face, that's all. Face.
Oh, some good firewood right there. Oh yeah, that's a lake.
I found some water.
Why do you guys camp here?
Too
steep?
Too steep.
It's only about 35 degrees. Bunch of city slicking rednecks, I tell ya. So what lake is this, Chris?
It's a lake, I guess. I don't know.
Reservoir.
Reservoir?
Where's a reservoir?
So this is how they maintain the roads. They bring arborists out. I didn't know that.
Huh.
Weird.
Nice truck.
Yeah, this place sucks, Chris.
That's terrible. The view is horrible. I have to see you.
I know, likewise. All right, I guess we're heading back to the quarry, the gravel pit to go hang out and make food and die in the heat.
It's only 30 degrees probably by the time we get back, Richard.
That way?
Yeah, that way.
That way.
That way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Apparently I was supposed to make a left.
Wait. What?
Yeah, because
wait, we left?
No, because the truck's right-hand drive, it's reversed.
Right. Yeah. No, what?
Made it back to the awful rock quarry. Apparently Chris has a bunch of wood to burn tonight. I do love burning wood. What kind of wood are we burning tonight, guys?
Moldy wood.
2x6.
Moldy wood.
Apparently.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That burns the best, right?
Moldy
good.
2x6s.
Pretty
Chris
good.
just has the chicken wings. Look at that.
I have all the meat.
That's the one that fell on the ground.
No.
So are we building a deck?
No.
What are we doing?
We are building the Tower of Power.
The Power Tower. I like it. The Tower of Power is complete. Check out that bad boy. The last step is adding propane to it. So have you guys bought a tiger torch yet? If not, you probably should. I think she's lit, boys.
You might say that.
It's a good thing there isn't a fire ban in effect.
Class 2.
Looks like a class 3 to me.
You said you wanna play your game. You dealt me in, I said I'll pick it up, it's all the same. But don't follow all the rules. I know you don't, you change day by day. Hardly seems that fair. How can anybody understand? How can anybody win?
The Power of Tower lasted 30 minutes, and now we're burning cardboard.
Back to cardboard.
Fire's finally going good now. Chris,
Colin.
what are you doing?
Look at a nice fire. Drinking a beer.
Chris gets camera shy. He's not like that.
Only when the camera's on.
Yeah, I'm not too sure how this video's gonna pan out. It feels like it's gonna be crap, but I bet you it's gonna be okay. I might not even add this in the video, or maybe I will. Who knows? Stay tuned. These knob sight lights are so amazing for like shining and illuminating the campsite. Don't forget, guys, you get 25% off with discount code Lights Before Lockers. Link in description. Wow, this episode sucks. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't. Yeah, so let's take a look at this fancy rebuilt rear end I have with a locker. LSD type. So there it is. That is all brand new parts in there. Fully rebuilt. Ring gear, pinion, locker, everything. And we're pretty much ready to put that in. Malachi, the mechanic guy, is currently